all alone in the mountains. I think this is called the Ridge Trail. I'm not quite sure. Snow everywhere. Having a good time. Yeah, we're in the spooky woods. There's nothing like being in the Misty woods, I guess. There's nobody here, just me and the dog. I've never really been on a trail in snow, and all I got on are these things. And they don't really have much grip. They're waterproof, so my feet are happy, but I lost my grip. And now I got a hole in my favorite pants. Now I guess I have to go to the store and buy more stuff. That's the fun part. Majestic animal? Not so majestic.